Mendikithia ma watho wa kuramata makanitha goko bururi-ini mathiete na mbere na gutungio regani ni atongoria makanitha ngurani kuria marutite mahetia icunje ngurani makiuga ni ikuhotomia wiyathi wa makanitha. Muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa Redeemed Gospel Arthur Kitonga hamwe na muthikabu munyitiriri John Bankoske Kitonga marenda thirikari ikuruhania anyiti itemi othe mbere ya mendikithia maya mahetukitio na kurutithio wira.
My prayer is for peace in this nation. In our 47 counties, we have been praying for peace, peace, peace. And we need to stand with the people in leadership and continue to pray for the nation. And when we pray all of us together in unity, we will not see problem here and there. You will see people united, and Kenya is a country where we put God number one. Even the wimbo ya taifa, we put God number one. So let us focus on the vision God gave to the founders of this nation, that we put God ahead of us. He is our creator, and we need to honor God all the time and pray for peace in this nation.
Number one, we wish to state that through the committee that is there to look into the matters of regulation through the Prime Cabinet Secretary's office, we want to say as a Redeemed Gospel Church, number one, that we feel that that bill needs to be relooked at more keenly, because there are a number of issues that we feel we are uncomfortable with. Number one, we want to request that the umbrella bodies be given more power for self-regulation. For example, we are part of the Evangelical Alliance of Kenya, EAK, and we know there are other bodies like NCCK, among others. And we are saying, because they cover the evangelicals, the EAK, they should be given time and given the powers to be able to regulate churches, especially the evangelical churches, which we are founder members.
Maugite mawoni ma atongoria a kanitha ni mabata mutaratara-ini wa guthondeka mawatho ma uramati wa kanitha nigetha kugitira wiyathi na urumwe wa makanitha.
They can keep pastors in line so that the government does not interfere with matters religion. Number one, we need to realize that matters of faith are very diverse. And doctrine is also very diverse. We cannot just have one way of regulating churches because we are of different faiths. Number two, in the committee that is to represent that bill, we know that Kenya is 85% Christian, and yet we are only given 4 slots into that committee. We feel there we are being misrepresented. If we are 85%, then we need to get the lion's share of representation in that committee.
Ihinda-ini riu Kitonga ni oritie atongoria mathikiririe na marumbuye mateta ma muingi.
Yes, the government is doing the best, but there's still room for improvement. We feel that the government that works well is one that listens to the people. And we are also appealing to our leaders. Listen to the people. Sikiza vile ground inasema.
Maritie hindi ya igongona ria kwamura ahunjia ikiro ngurani kanitha-ini ucio mwena wa Nyahururu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma Nyahururu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, nie njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.